guys, Susie here from RegFox. I just want to hop on and show you guys some cool features that our team has added to your registration page. In the past, you've been able to add an image or logo up here, and you also have the ability to add some help links. This includes the ability to resend a confirmation, view contact information, and some other elements that we'll get into later in the video. Your registrants then have the ability to scroll down and view all the information on your page. The updates our team has made now gives you the ability to create a more robust header. This gives your registrants the ability to navigate the page similar to a website. You can link these buttons here to sections of your page, or you can also link them to external links. In this case, I have linked this FAQ to a PDF. Now you're probably wondering, how do I set this up on my registration page? Head over to your page builder, and now you can hover over with your mouse up here where it says upload your logo. Go ahead and click on that. There are three elements to the header that we're going to cover. The first one is the header, the second one is the navigation, and the third one is the help navigation. Let's start with the header. Go ahead and toggle that on. In this use case, I have set up a logo instead of a header image, and then right underneath that you'll see I have logo alignment. Logo alignment simply controls where the logo is placed. It's also going to control where your navigation links are placed as well. Then we have a slider that controls the height. Right underneath that, you'll see that there is a background type. So in this case, I have chosen color, and I have set my color background to white. The last setting is the header bar. You'll see that I have the header as full width, but if I uncheck this, the header compresses to the center. I also have make header sticky checked, which simply means that the header will stick at the top. So when I scroll down, you'll see the header is sticking at the top. If I uncheck that, you'll see that the page is now able to navigate with the header being at the top, and we have our content fully visible on the screen. Your registrants will then want to scroll back up to access the navigation bar. Alright, now let's move on to the fun part. If you toggle show navigation to on, you'll see I get a couple of different link settings, as well as a place to add new links. To show you guys how it works, I'm going to go ahead and delete the speaker link and then set it up again. You want to go down here and click add link. I'm going to type here speakers. Then I'm going to click on this drop down and find where my speakers section is. And I'm going to select the heading text right above the speakers section just because I added a header right above that field. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and click right next to where it says link 5. You'll see 6 little dots. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to drag this link up back to the top. If I wanted to edit the font size, you could do that here. You could also edit the font color. You can make it bold, italic, or underline. If I scroll back up to header and I play around with the logo alignment, you'll see that if I click on right, it's going to send the logo to the right, and if I click on left, it's going to send the logo to the left. Last but not least, we're going to turn on show help navigation. You'll see that these links have stayed the same as the previous heading settings, but here you can edit the color of the background. You can also edit the color of the text. I'm going to edit the background to a nice gray, and I'm going to leave the text as black. I prefer everything to be centered, so I'm going to scroll back up and I'm going to click on center on logo alignment. You'll see that it pushes everything to the center, including the help navigation links. Once you're done adjusting the header to your preference, you can scroll down and click done. If you'd like to see how your page is working in action, go ahead and click preview or publish. And voila! Our team was really excited to share these updates with you guys. We hope you are too. If you have any questions, please feel free to write into our support team. We would be happy to help.